You can see snow-capped mountains, the Alps, and yet there's olive trees, lemons, and agave. Rosé. This is Valtènesi. Would you want to find out where exactly this wine is made? Come with me. Yeehaw! Diving in the Lake Garda. I mean, I wish I were able to do it right now. Yes, we are in Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake. 400 square kilometers of water. Well, that's exactly the secret of this incredible appellation, Valtènesi. Because yes, you can see the Alps. So there is lots of snow, lots of cold. Latitude-wise, we're very high. And yet, if you see the olive trees, if you see the vineyards, if you see agaves and orchards, it means that we are in the Mediterranean area. And that's because there is a lake. So imagine this wine is somehow reflecting the beautiful relationship between the Alps and the water. How? You'll be finding, just even from here, I can smell mountain flowers, and yet ripe, like mountain strawberries. Lots of refreshing acidity. This is what Valtènesi is about. I feel thirsty right now. And those are the citrus expectation of this wine is never gonna disappoint you. And this is thinking about the lemons. Think lemon right now. Lemon, 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 lemon. And that's the acidity you will find in this wine. So when we talk geography, it's very important to understand the style of wine. And one very important factor is the fact that these vineyards are located on the western shores of the Lake Garda. So as a result, the vineyards are like these towards the lake. And what happens? Right now, put yourself into a little boat. You're rowing a boat on the lake, or even a sailboat. The sun is rising. The lake turns pink all of a sudden. And these beautiful, fragile sunbeams are just gonna be going towards the vineyards. And that kind of delicate, elegant light is exactly what you will find in a glass of Valtènesi. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.